hair microscopically consistent with animal owned by Julia Poff. According to court documents, Julia Poff has been accused of posting explosives to Barack Obama. Get America covered. A tiny cat hair helped to identify the women behind a plot to kill Barack Obama, according to legal documents filed in a Texas court. Julia Poff stands accused of posting explosives to the then-president, Texas Governor Greg Abbott, and Maryland's Social Security Administrator Carolyn Colvin last October. While the package intended for Mr. Obama was intercepted, Mr. Abbott did open the one that was sent to him, but it failed to explode. Had it detonated, it could have caused severe burns and death, the indictment says. He only appeared to escape because he did not open the package as intended. Poff allegedly said she didn't like Obama and she was upset with Governor Abbott because she had not received support from her ex-husband. The indictment adds, she had applied for and not received Social Security benefits in Maryland. FBI investigators were able to track her down using an obliterated shipping label on the package sent to Mr. Abbott, according to the documents, which were filed in a Houston court earlier this week. A cigarette packet bought near her home in the small city of Sealy, around 50 miles west of Houston, also helped them to zero in on her. But cat hair was found under the address label of the package posted to Mr. Obama, which was microscopically consistent with the hair of one of Poff's cats. That helped them make the breakthrough. When investigators searched her house, they found fireworks in her garage, the indictment states. She was charged earlier this month on 6 counts for allegedly mailing the bombs in October 2016, including mailing injurious articles and transporting explosives with the intent to kill and injure, and is currently being held at a Houston detention center. She has also been charged with food stamp fraud and false declaration in bankruptcy. More about Barack Obama. Governor Greg Abbott. Julia Poff. Reuse content. We use cookies to enhance your visit to our site and to bring you advertisements that might interest you. Read our privacy and cookie policies to find out more. We've noticed that you are using an ad blocker. Advertising helps fund our journalism and keep it truly independent. It helps to build our international editorial team, from war correspondents to investigative reporters, commentators to critics. Click here to view instructions on how to disable your ad blocker, and help us to keep providing you with free-thinking journalism for free. Thank you for your support. How to disable your ad blocker for independent.co.uk. Adblock Plus. Click the Adblock Plus icon, which is to the right of your address bar. On Adblock, click Don't Run on Pages on this domain. On Adblock Plus, click Enabled on this site to disable ad blocking for the current website you are on. If you are in Firefox, click Disable on independent.co.uk. Firefox Tracking Protection. If you are private browsing in Firefox, tracking protection may cause the ad block notice to show. It can be temporarily disabled by clicking the shield icon in the address bar. Ghostery. Click the Ghostery icon. In versions before 6.0, click Whitelist Site. In version 6.0, click Trust Site or add independent.co.uk to your trusted site list. In versions before 6.0, you will see the message site is whitelisted. Click Reload the page to see your changes. uBlock. Click the uBlock icon. Then click the big power button to whitelist the current website, and its state will be remembered next time you visit the website. Then reload the page. Thank you for supporting independent.co.uk.